Hi everyone, I am Avinash here and today we are going to know why is sine 90 minus theta cos theta. Some of you will tell that no, it is a formula, but we should actually know why 90 minus theta is cos theta. In order to explain this, I have drawn a triangle as you can see here. You can see that I have taken angle A as theta, angle C is 90 degree. Now let us see why sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. In triangle ABC, okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. I hope you know this. It is called angle sum property. So by angle sum property, we got angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now let us put the value of each angles. See, angle A is theta, angle B we don't know, angle C is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. This implies that angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus theta. This implies that angle B is equal to 90 degree minus theta. Okay, 180 minus 90 is 90. So we get 90 degree minus theta. So the value of angle B is 90 degree minus theta. Now sine B is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Okay, sine B is equal to sine 90 minus theta because the value of theta over here is 90 degree minus theta, and we know that sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here, since this is theta, this will be the perpendicular. So we get sine 90 minus theta is equal to AC by hypotenuse AB. Okay. Now, let us see what about cos A. Cos A is equal to cos theta. This is equal to, since theta is over here, this will be the perpendicular, and as we know, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Since this is theta, AC will be the base and AB will be the hypotenuse. So we will get cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is AC by AB. Now you can see here that sine 90 minus theta is AC by AB and cos theta is also AC by AB. Suppose this is our equation 1 and this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, we get, what do we get? Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. I hope you must have understood why sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. These are trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. I have already shown you that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So you can also find these ratios as I have shown you earlier. I hope you must have understood now why sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. I usually make videos in Hindi. If you want me to make videos in English, please write in the comment box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye.